Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be preparing this smoked turkey drumsticks. Guys, comment down below and let me know if you have ever prepared any one of these, the smoked turkey. Okay, so if you'd like to see how I prepare the smoked turkey, let's get into the video. I preheated the oven to at 400 degrees, and I opened the Brandt package of turkey, and I put some pineapple slices. Guys, I had pineapple, so I put some. What you used to see sprinkled there is clove and with the allspice. Okay, that's all I do, and I'm gonna place it in the oven, 350 degree for about 45 minutes to an hour. I'm gonna put it in the oven at 350 or 400 degree, depending on how fast it's cooking. It's already cooked, the smoked turkey. Okay, I like the Brandt. When that is done, guys, it smells like ham. It smells really good, and I really like it. I prefer the smoked turkey in comparison to the regular one that you have to do from scratch. That's too much work. Okay guys, so happy Thanksgiving, and when this comes out you'll see how it looks. But I'll try to give it 45 minutes to an hour, at least an hour. So guys, for the turkey I pricked it with the fork. On occasions I push the fork in it, guys, to make sure whatever, if there's anything bloody on the inside, because it's almost an hour since it's been in. Sorry guys, because of the heat I have to hold it to the camera. But yeah, you see the bone, it looks like the bone is falling off. It's coming off, so I think it's time for me to turn the oven off. Let's see if I can zoom in. You can hardly see. Oh, I need my lighting, guys. So guys, for this Brandt turkey, to get it to cook, guys, what I did was I poured a cup of water with the pineapple. But if you have pineapple juice, you can put the juice instead of the water. But what I do, I put the pineapple slices, and then put the slices, and then I put the water onto it. So you had a cup of water, you take it out the package, add a cup of water, and the choice is yours. I put some allspice there, and then I sprinkled some clove, like a teaspoon of clove I had sprinkled all over it. Okay guys, but the clove is optional. You don't have to put the clove. I think what you need is the allspice, and maybe if you want to put garlic. I didn't put any garlic, but like the smoked turkey, guys, it's already cooked. And what I do while it was in the oven, the last 10 minutes, this took an hour. The last 10 minutes before the 1 hour, I turned it up from 400 to 450 degree for 10 minutes. And then I prick it, guys. When I check, I prick, or before you start, you prick, to make sure anything that is on the inside that needs to run out would run out, and then it would cook quickly. Okay, because you don't want after the last hour, when it's done, then you see like blood running out, you know, uncooked juices. Okay, well, because personally, yeah, I like when that runs out, and when the inside is running, not red. You're not seeing red as in blood. Okay, so guys, the smoked turkey, I find it tastes like see, you can tell it's cooked because it's falling off the bone there. So I'm just gonna cut a piece and taste it. Okay guys, let me cut a piece. Guys, this was a knife that cut me. Can you believe in this? Look at this. This is a carving knife, right guys? What am I doing using this to cut an onion? What am I doing? Like, see, this knife is so sharp. You barely touch the the meat and it's cut. If you practice, guys, we should practice not cutting anything in our hands, but if you should practice cutting anything in your hands, guys, make sure it's not a sharp knife. Make sure it's not a sharp knife, okay? Even though we're not supposed to, and there it is. Make sure it's not a sharp knife. There is the smoked turkey. So guys, the turkey, the smoked turkey here, it is so delicious, I'm telling you. It tastes good, guys. I love the smoked turkey. I enjoy this more than the pork. Today's Thanksgiving Day, and I just want to say happy Thanksgiving. Please give the video a thumbs up, guys, and I just want to thank God for allowing me to see another Thanksgiving Day, and also for providing for me and for providing for all of you guys out there. And I hope the Lord will continue to bless me and all you viewers, you lovely people. And guys, as I said, make sure the subscribe button is enabled. You have subscribed to the channel and your post notification bell is turned on. How would I describe my smoked turkey, guys? I love this thing. I truly love this thing. I enjoy it more than bacon. I love it. I love it. I love it, guys. It smells like Christmas time and Thanksgiving. I look forward to the smoked turkey. This one is already done, guys, when you buy it, and then you're gonna put it in the oven for another hour, okay, at 400 degree. And for the last 10 minutes, if you prick into it and there's still blood running out, then you can turn it to 450 degree for 10 minutes, and then you turn off. You prick it with the fork. There's no juice running out that needs to be cooked. You're good. Okay, so 1 hour is good, guys. And guys, for some reason, I don't know, in the packet this seemed like a small turkey, but I don't know, it expanded in the oven. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching another one of my videos. And guys, look at the knife I was using to cut onion. It's a carved knife, guys. It comes with a fork. Like, what was I thinking when I used it to cut the onion in my hand? And guys, if you should ever use a knife, even though we should practice, we know that we should practice the safe way to do things. If it so happened that you're cutting something in your hand, guys, make sure it's a dull knife, because this knife was brand new. It was the first time this blade is so sharp. You chop it, it chops any bone. Like, trust me. I'm afraid of this knife. I'm just going to wash it right now, guys, and put it away. And guys, also, for safety reason, don't take your knife and throw them in the sink, okay? And leave them, because your hand could go through the water, and there you go, you get cut. So always wash your knife right away, especially the very sharp ones. And feel free to leave a comment in the comment section, guys, because I do look forward to you guys commenting, okay? Communication is key. Like, yeah, communication is key. So we need to communicate both ways. Okay, guys? It's nice when you guys give feedback. And thank you guys for watching my video. And please, guys, whenever you watch my video, please watch it to the end. See you in the next video.